Hello friends, those who haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. So as we have seen in many sci-fi movies, this is one such news. So an asteroid moving towards Earth, and if it collides with Earth, it has the potential to wipe out all the life forms. And we human beings managed to come up to execute a last-minute plan to deflect this asteroid from its trajectory and avoid the collision. So in this video, let us know more about such a realistic mission by NASA, and that is the NASA's DART mission, and also some facts behind the intentional or deliberate crashing of a spacecraft on an asteroid. So this DART mission has its name as Double Asteroid Redirection Test. And this mission has got some purpose. That is, intentionally, we are crashing a spacecraft on an asteroid to test a unique defense technology that we have developed. That is, we are intentionally or deliberately crashing a spacecraft itself against a small asteroid that was orbiting the sun. So we can say that it is a suicidal mission. And also we hope to change the orbit of the asteroid by hitting at a very high speed like that of a 24,000 km per hour, so that we can change the course of the asteroid. So the asteroid that we are intending to right now in this mission is called as Dimorphos, and we should understand that it is not a real threat to our Earth right now. That is, it is about 11 million kilometers away from Earth. Then why we are coming up with such a mission? But we have to prove ourselves, or we have to testify the newly made unique defense technology, and that is why we have selected this asteroid called as Dimorphos. So if we see more about this Dimorphos is a moonlet of the Didymos asteroid system. That is, an asteroid system is there called as Didymos, a big asteroid, and we can see that our Dimorphos, that is the asteroid that we are hitting in this mission, is actually a moonlet, or this Dimorphos is rotating around the Didymos asteroid. As I already said, it is not a real threat to Earth from asteroids, because for the next 100 years at least, that is what the scientist says, there is no real threat to Earth from asteroids. But this collision of the asteroid will or can have serious implications on the life forms in Earth. So we already have past historical experience. For example, the dinosaurs and most other life forms, they become extinct following an asteroid collision that was about some million years ago. Not only that, in recent years, that is in 2013, an asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere and it exploded over Russia. So it also had some serious complications, like it caused injuries and had widespread damage. We can see that in 2013, the asteroid that came up before or in Russia was about an 18-meter sized asteroid. So it is very common for us to understand that these kind of small asteroids do come into the Earth's atmosphere, but it burn out due to the friction before they reach the surface of the Earth. So here you should understand that Dimorphos is a small asteroid with about 160 meters of diameter, whereas Didymos is a bigger asteroid with about 780 meter of diameter size. So this is the pictographical or infographical representation of the mission. So here we can see that the DART spacecraft is coming in, and the original orbit of the Dimorphos can be seen rotating around the Didymos asteroid system. So after the collision, we can see that the Dimorphos will be changing the orbit to a new orbit, and the new orbit is being signified by the orange color. So this is how the impact is going to happen. That is, the asteroid will be slightly changed or deviated from its original path to a new orbit, and thus we can prevent any further asteroidal impact that the Earth could suffer. And this is a mission which was used to testify such a new technology. So now let us see some more fact about this DART mission. So we should understand that DART is a very low cost spacecraft. As I said, it is a suicidal mission, so we cannot use very high cost spacecraft for the same, because it is a like experiment. So we can see that it also has two solar arrays for powering itself, and also it uses a hydrogen propellant for maneuvering the spacecraft. Not only that, it carries about 10 kg of xenon, which will be used to demonstrate the agency's new thrusters called NASA Evolutionary Xenon Thruster. That is a commercial one called as NextC in space. So this spacecraft also carries a very high resolution imager called as the Didymos Reconnaissance and Asteroid Camera, for optical navigation, that is also having an acronym called as DRACO. So these things or these imageries are being used to capture the different imaging positions of the asteroid and also to view the scientists about the kind of a collision which is happening from the Earth center. The DART will also carry a small satellite. So these small satellites are called as CubeSat. So this is named as the Light Italian CubeSat for imaging of asteroids, or it is also called as Lycia Cube. So this is some interesting fact about the DART mission. So I hope everyone enjoyed this informative video. So unless and until we meet next time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.